Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where you encounter duplicate folders in the left navigation pane of File Explorer, then please watch this video. Now, this usually occurs after Windows update, so the real resolution is to uninstall the latest update. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, and then go to the Windows Update tab, select Update History, click on Uninstall Update, select Uninstall, and then click on Uninstall once again. The next one is to reset the folder options. Open Windows Explorer, click on these three dots here and options, and then click on Restore Defaults here. Select View, Restore Defaults, and then click on Reset Folder. Okay. The next one is to delete the icon cache using elevated command prompt window. Now we have a command for this and I have shared it in the description section of the video. Search for the search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. And lastly, run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.